Dear students, today we discuss questions from coordinate geometry. Some of the important questions from the examination point of view. Let's find this answer. Find the coordinates of the center of the circle which passes through the points 3, 3, 3 minus 7 and 6 minus 6. Let the center of the circle be O with coordinates x and y. We are given the coordinates of 3 points on the circle. When you join the center and the given points, you get the radius. OA is the radius of the circle, another radius is OB, and the third one is OC. Here, OA equals, OB equals, OC equals the radius. Using the distance formula, we can relate OA and OB, then OB and OC, or OC and OB. We need two equations, therefore we write the radius, equate the radii in two equations. OA equals OB, therefore root of, using the distance formula, the distance between 2 points AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Here x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square is equal to root of x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 7 the whole square. Squaring the equation, we have x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square is equal to x minus 3 the whole square plus y plus 7 the whole square. Minus 7 is plus 7. The x minus 3 the whole square on both sides get cancelled, and finally we have y minus 3 the whole square is equal to y plus 7 the whole square. Expanding the terms, you get y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to y square plus 14y plus 49. Simplifying the equation, y square and y square on both sides get cancelled. We have minus 6y minus 14y. When 14y is moved from right hand side to left hand side, it becomes minus, is equal to 49 minus 9 equals 40. Minus 20y is equal to 40. Y is equal to 40 by minus 20 is equal to minus 2. We need one more equation. Now we have y is equal to minus 2. This is one equation. We need one more equation. For this, let's equate OA equals OC equals root of x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square is equal to root of x minus 6 the whole square plus y minus minus 6 the whole square. Squaring the equation similar to the steps that we used in the first case. Squaring the equation, we have x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square equals x minus 6 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square. Let's expand the equation. X square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to x square minus 12x plus 36 plus y square plus 12y plus 36. X square and x square on both sides get cancelled. Similarly, y square and y square get cancelled. We have minus 6x plus 12x minus 6y minus 12y plus 12y. When moved from RHS to LHS, it becomes minus 12y is equal to 36 plus 36, 72 minus 9 plus 9, 18 equals 54. Now we have 6x minus 18y equals 54. Dividing the equation by 6, you have x minus 3y is equal to 9. We know the value of y. Y is 2. X minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 9. X plus 6 is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 minus 6 equals 3. So the coordinates of the center is xy, that is 3 minus 2. The coordinates of the center xy is equal to 3 minus 2. Let's answer this question. Find the coordinates of the point on x-axis which is 5 units away from the point 3, 6. The coordinates of the point is given as 3, 6. Let's assume that there is a point on x-axis. Therefore, the coordinates of the point on x-axis be x0. The y-coordinate is 0. Any point on x-axis, the y-coordinate is 0. Similarly, the x-coordinate of any point on y-axis is also 0. Here we need to find the point which is on x-axis. Therefore, the y-coordinate is 0. And the distance should be 5 units. So there is a point x0 which is 5 units away from this point 3, 6. Using the distance formula, we can find the distance as 5 units. X minus 3, the point is 3, 6. X minus 3 the whole square plus 0 minus 6 the whole square root of x minus 3 the whole square plus 0 minus 6 the whole square equals 5 square. Squaring the equation, we have x minus 3 the whole square plus minus 6 square is equal to 5 square. X square minus 6x using the identity x minus y the whole square. X square minus 2xy plus y square. In the place of y we have 3 plus 9 plus 36 minus 25. 5 square is taken to the left hand side and right hand side is 0. Simplifying it, we have x square minus 6x plus 45 minus 25 is 20 is equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation. When we solve this equation, we get the point on x-axis. We have x square minus 6x plus 20 is equal to 0. Let's find the value of b square minus 4ac. For our convenience, let's note down a, b and c. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to plus 20 and minus b is equal to 6. B square minus 4ac is equal to minus 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 20 equals 36 minus 80 is equal to minus 44, which is less than 0. Therefore, no real roots or solutions. That means there is no point on x-axis which is 5 units away from this point 3p. There is no point on x-axis which is 5 units away from the point 3, 6. Let's answer this question. Find the ratio at which the line 2x plus y minus 4 equals 0 divides the line segment joining the points 2, minus 2 and 3, 7. This line divides the line segment in a particular ratio and this line passes through this point. Let this point be P and its coordinates x, y. See, this point is a common point of this line segment and also this line. Using the section formula, let's find the coordinates of this point x and y. You know, x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Here the ratio is not given, therefore let's take the ratios m1 and m2. m1 into x is equal to m1 into 3, 3m1 plus 2m2, m2 into 2, 2m2 by m1 plus m2. Similarly, y is equal to m1 into 7, 7m1 plus m2 into minus 2, minus 2m2 by m1 plus m2. These are the coordinates of x and y. This point P is a common point of the line segment and also of the line. That means the coordinates of the point P should satisfy this equation. The equation is 2x. Equation of the line is 2x plus y is equal to 4. That means the x coordinate, this one, and the y coordinate, this one, should satisfy this equation. That is 2 into 3m1 plus 2m2 by m1 plus m2 plus y, 7m1 minus 2m2 by m1 plus m2 is equal to 4. Now let's simplify the equation. We have common denominator, therefore we need to write the denominator only once. m1 plus m2 as denominator. Now 3 into 2, 6m1 plus 4m2 plus 7m1 minus 2m2 is equal to 4. By cross multiplication, we can further simplify the equation. 6 plus 7, 13m1 plus 2m2 is equal to 4 into m1 plus m2 equals 4m1 plus 4m2. Now, let's take m1 on LHS and m2 on RHS. 13m1 minus 4m1 is equal to 4m2 minus 2m2 equals 9m1 equals 2m2. That is m1 by m2 by cross multiplication. m1 by m2 equals 2 by 9, or m1 is to m2 equals 2 is to 9, or m1 is equal to 2, m2 is equal to 9. In this question, we are asked to find the ratio only. The ratio is 2 is to 9. It is in this ratio the line divides the line segment. You can also find the coordinates of the point by substituting the values of m1 and m2. Let's answer that one also, but in this particular question you are not asked to answer this question, but let's see if it is asked. You can also find the coordinates by substituting the values of m1 and m2. X is equal to 3 into m1 is 2 plus 2 into 9, m2 is 9 by 2 plus 9 equals 6 plus 18 by 11 equals 24 by 11. Y is equal to 7 into 2 minus 2 into 9 by 2 plus 9 equals 14 minus 18 by 11 equals minus 4 by 11. So the coordinates of the point P, xy, equals 24 by 11, and this is the coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate of the point that divides the line segment joining A and B in the ratio 2:9.